Is that a samurai?
Yeah.
Oh.
Where's Julie? It's the love boat.
True friends.
Oh,
Are you taking on water? Duh.
Look.
Oh.
Why didn't you just open the door? Pull!
See? My man. Right there. The freckles are from the souls they've stolen.
You're good as pets, though.
Yeah. I know we have one.
Here comes a G2 rescue. Cowbell! You know, if it were me, I would probably shut the engine off just to be safe.
Yeah, you want to keep water from getting sucked in.
Yeah,
Oh,
pressure in the
yeah.
engine.
Yeah, you want to keep it out of the exhaust, too. Get a run at it!
Oh, you see how that water's
Oh, that's nice.
That's awesome.
That is awesome.
There's like trash
You
pouring out
can
of
do
his car.
it! Well, look, now I can see that it's a samurai who washed the front end off.
Oh, yeah.
So excited.
Hazard County car wash.
Are they going for it again? Do it again!
You can see everything.
Yeah.
Nope. Forward.
Not it.
Not it. Me neither.
Mm-mm.
Oh.
What, to go through there?
Oops. Yeah, we're definitely not doing that.
If he makes it through, we can go through.
He ain't making it through.
Isn't it shallow like over on the right hand side?
Yeah, if you go around the outside.
Yeah.
Can we back up a little bit more?
And Lele. Lele.
Why can't you just back up so we can see? What's the deal? I can see all like these waves from where he. Look at everybody running down there. Ah, I see him. That's perfect, baby, right there. Why didn't you just go around the other side?
Oh, yeah.
Apparently the water was cold. What kind of car is that?
A Suzuki Samurai. Holy shit, that's a lot of water.
So you couldn't see last time I saw it. The last time there was like trash pouring out with the water. water's not even done, like, draining out yet. Alright, be ready to move, because if she comes over here, she's going to be coming up this hill, okay? Alright, baby. You back up, sweetie? Oh, never mind. He went to the other side. Lee went running over there. I don't think we can see from that other side. You pull it closer. No.
Mm-mm.